if you're really tired of these dull Carpenter pencils getting all worn out and having to always be sharpened just to get any lead to stick out at all to be effective when you're trying to mark on wood or concrete or anything like that, where you need a good straight line and nice clarity, then get rid of all these pencils here and try something like this automatic mechanical Carpenter pencil from NicPro. This is a very, very cool set of Carpenter pencils that comes with plenty of reloads for lead, so this is going to last you a long time. So here you're going to get an instruction manual, and then you're going to get 4 of these mechanical pencils and all kinds of lead here. So you've got 3 packs here of the black graphite. These are all 2.8 millimeter. There's 9 pieces in each pack, so there's 27 of these here. You're going to get a mix of colors between white, blue, and green, and also orange and red here. So there's 3 more packs here. There's 27 more replacements. And then you've got 2 more packs right here of yellow and red to be able to feed these pencils for quite a long time. You're going to have plenty of lead to do projects for many years. Let me show you how these work. So this is the pencil itself. It's got a clip on the outside, so you can set that on your tool bag. You won't lose it. You can clip it onto your shirt or onto your pants. It's got a nice strong spring to that clip here. And then on the outside, this is a whole covering case for the pencil, which is actually inside. And on the end of that covering case is a sharpener. So you can see that you can get a very sharp tip onto your pencils if needed by just putting the lead in here and just shaving down that lead a little bit. So when I say lead, it's actually a graphite. There's no lead in here at all. It's going to hurt you or anything. So the pencil itself just pulls through just like this. And now that's where you've got the mechanical part to reveal the graphite on the inside. So I just click on the back here, and you can see that the lead here starts coming through the tip, and now you can start to draw with it. It's already got a nice sharp tip on here, but if I didn't have that, all I'd have to do is just take the end of the covering case here and just shave that graphite down a little bit by just rotating through here, and that's going to shave down a little bit, make a nice sharp edge there. And what you're going to find is, because you're not having to shave any wood down, it's really easy. You just get a nice quick spin and you've got a nice sharp tip. So really easy to use. Replacing the graphite refills is very simple. Just going to press and hold on the button here on the back, and I'm just going to pull through the existing piece of graphite, pull that all the way out. Just set this aside, and then I'm going to choose a red one here for this refill, and I'm just going to go ahead and pull this through. It slides up like this, and I've got all my refills here. They already come pre-sharpened on one end, so that way I can start that way here. I'll put this back side in through here. Press and hold again on the button to release the tension, and then just slide it right down in. Just goes right in there. And now we're ready to go. We've got a red tip here to do some marking. So marking with these is a breeze. It has a very nice feel to it. If I go ahead and going to do some lumber, and I got my line here, I've done my measuring, and now I just want to just do a quick there. I can get a nice red line going on there. I can use these visibility colors like red and yellow on darker cuts. So if I'm doing some steel, very easily will mark on that also. Marks on concrete, marks on steel, aluminum, wood, all super easy, even stone. So if you're cutting granite or anything like that. Doing some cuts around here on a round surface as well. Very easy with this because you've got this thin portion here that's all metal. It glides around whatever you're using to do that. So you can see that line that I just drew, very nice and even all the way around this round dowel. So, and then if the wood is getting kind of cruded up and a little darker, a little harder for your dark line to see, you see this red really shines through super well. And you've got that line there for making your cuts and doing whatever measuring you got to do. So overall, really impressed with this kit. It's really well made. These are going to last me forever. I'm going to just toss out all of the wood pencils that I have in the shop and just stick with these. I've got 4 of them, 4 different colors. I'm going to preload the red here, preload the yellow, and keep the other 2 with the black graphite. Overall, really impressed with this kit from NicPro, and I think you will be too. Hey, I hope that helps learn a little bit more. I hope this was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.